Good morning, students. This is your faculty, Dr. Zubair Ahmed, Assistant Professor, BBD University, Lucknow. Today, we will discuss the topic entrepreneurship. Who is an entrepreneur? Its characteristics, functions, and classification. In entrepreneurship and small business management, subject code DSC 44502. Now, who is an entrepreneur? A person who takes financial risk in business, we called him or her an entrepreneur. Setting up a business is called entrepreneurship. We also say that entrepreneur is that person who creates and grows business by his or her creative ideas. An entrepreneur fulfills the commercial need of the community. What are the characteristics of entrepreneur? First one is desire for responsibility. It means he is the sole responsible for every activity of the business. Then number two is preference for moderate risk. It means that he should not allow a major risk. He can take risk of moderate nature in which loss occur minimum. Then the other characteristics confidence in ability to succeed. It means that entrepreneurs have confidence in him or her, that he or she believe that they have ability to succeed in them, whatever is the situation. Then the next characteristics is desire for immediate feedback. Entrepreneur not linger his or her work on tomorrow, but if there is any query or situation occur that they should desire for immediate feedback. Next characteristics is high level of energy. Energy level should be at optimum level and his or her availability will be required when organization need it. Next characteristics future is future orientation. He or she have vision for the future level activities. Next characteristics is skilled at organizing. It means he or she have a skill in organizing each activities as employees and other work. Then value achievement over money. Entrepreneurs should have emphasis on value achievement over money. Now what are the functions of entrepreneur? Number one is innovation. It means an entrepreneur do some innovation in their products or services to attract their customers and fulfill their needs. Then the next one is risk taking. Entrepreneurs should have the quality of risk taking as risk bearing capacity is needed to work as an entrepreneur. Then the next function is organization building. Entrepreneurs should have the trait to build organization and have to do every work in this respect so that everyone should cooperate and do work in coordination. Then absorb uncertainty. Through his or her experience, entrepreneur absorb uncertainty and tackle issue in their own way. Then the next function is frame the challenge. He should have the capability to face challenge in their task with their ability and intelligence. And the last function is of entrepreneur is build commitment. Entrepreneurs should be committed to their work and give their optimum potential. What is entrepreneurship? It is the ability and readiness to develop, organize, and run a business enterprise. A starting of a new business we called entrepreneurship. Long-term vision is required in entrepreneurship and new ideas also. Now, classification of entrepreneur. There are two categories, innovative and imitative entrepreneur. So, who is innovative entrepreneur? Who introduce goods or new methods of production or discover new markets or recognize the enterprise. Example, eBay and Coca-Cola. eBay is the first company to take the auction process online. Now, imitative or adoptive entrepreneur. They don't innovate, but they copy technology or technique of others. These entrepreneurs are significant for underdeveloped economies, help in economic development. For example, Chinese mobiles. So that's all in today in my lecture. Thank you.